Hello and welcome to my Module 12 PowerPoint. I will be doing 3 slides that go against the reading from this module, and then 3 that corrected the problems I had. So, this first slide, you can tell that I ignored the 6x6 rule. You're only supposed to have up to 6 different points, and they shouldn't exceed 6 words. I was also slightly cavalier with the number of bold font or bolding that I used, and I also used transitions and animations. So for this second one, the first thing you can notice is the font is different than the last slide, and in the readings it said that you should only use up to 2 different font styles. Also, the color is a little off. It's slightly hard to read the text, and it's also much higher than 6 words again. And the font size is bigger than recommended. It's recommended to have somewhere around size 18. And then again, also the animations. Oh, and then a third thing. It's a little too cluttered, not enough white space. And this third one, you can again see different fonts than the previous slides. Again, the color's a little off. It's a little bit hard to read. It didn't follow the 6x6 rule. And as you also noticed for the last 3 slides, the backgrounds have been different for all of them. So these are my corrected slides. The main corrections being that I've cleaned up the long kind of brick of words, and I've made it all less than 6 words and less than 6 points. It's a little more quick and concise. For this one, same thing, that we only have 1 font or 2 different fonts, but no more than that. I've cleaned up the words. It's also a lot less cluttered now, and the background is the same for all 3, and then this one's the same thing, less cluttered. It's kind of quick. Everything's easily readable. The colors are all good. So that was into my Module 12 slideshow. Thank you.